loves, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what that was. I ignored the clothes in the back. I need to clean it up, but I just don't have time right now. I'm doing something today that I haven't really done before. I love watching these videos. You read the title. I'm doing a thrift with me. I've been thrifting here and there, but I've never really went out to like multiple thrift stores trying to find something. So I think it'll be really fun to do so. I was planning on doing this with my best friend Luca, but unfortunately he wasn't able to make it today, so I'm gonna be going by myself. A little nervous because I will be filming in public and I don't know how I feel about that. I might end up switching from my camera to my phone just to feel more comfortable. I'm going to Amsterdam and I have about 5 thrift stores in mind. 4 of them are kind of more like vintage thrift stores, I guess. And thrift stores in Amsterdam in general are just so overpriced. So I know that those 4 are most likely going to be quite expensive. And then there's this other one that's I know is not as expensive and it's kind of outside of the city, I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna go to that one last because it'll be a bit of a different travel. I'm excited, but I'm a little nervous to be filming in public. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna go by myself. I think it's almost 1 p.m. So for the next couple of hours, I'm gonna try and find some stuff at the thrift store. Most of the things that I show on my channel are fast fashion, and I know that it's like super bad. Unfortunately, I can't fully cut that out because it is also my job, but I think it'll be fun to do videos like this, you know, to kind of add in that little bit of sustainability, because even, you know, a little bit of it helps. So yeah, I see that my battery's dying, which is really annoying because I thought it was charged. Apparently not. I'm going to switch this one out and I'm just gonna, I guess, go with 1 battery. I think that'll be fine. And we're just gonna go to Amsterdam. I'm curious to see how this is going to go. I might end up coming back with literally like 1 thing, but we'll see.
You said it yourself, this will not work if we are miles apart. Wake up alone, your fans are closed. Reach for something that you're not. Oh, you need to calm down, honey. You need to calm down.
So I've been vlogging with my phone because it makes me feel more comfortable. I'm about to go to the last thrift store and I have a blister on my foot. I'm actually really hungry, so I'm gonna see if I can grab something quickly for when I take the subway. My lips are hella dry, but yeah. Last stop and then I'm going home. Okay, I'm back home. Again, ignore the clothes. I'm gonna clean that up later. I'm back home and I have been able to find some things. I didn't find anything at this one vintage place, and then also Episode, which I'm glad I didn't find anything there because they're so expensive. It's insane. But oh my god, I'm like literally dead. It's like literally 5:30 almost. I've been gone for a while. I'm gonna just quickly show you what I got and then I'm gonna try everything on and show you. I haven't tried anything on, so hopefully they fit well. First things first. Okay, I saw this. The last one I went to was like the super cheap one. I found 2 things. That one is definitely hard to find cute stuff. Like it's a lot of just like junk, and then every now and then you'll see something cute. I found this in a little boys section, and I thought maybe this would fit as like a little like baby tee, because like it's not even that small. Like I feel like I could fit into that. Maybe not, we'll see. It's just like a cute little polo. Definitely needs to be washed. Like I don't even want to smell it. Second thing I got from that last place was this. It's actually from Uniqlo, which I thought was really funny. It's just this basic tee, but I think I might like crop it or something. I don't know. Uniqlo is a pretty good brand, and I love pastels. So then I got this polo, which I love the color of. I think this was 15 bucks maybe. Pretty sure I got this one at the Kilo shop, and I think this is going to be really cute. It's a little bit longer, so I think this would be nice with either shorts or with some biker shorts. And I was even thinking, if I feel like it, I could like crop it and then use the leftover fabric as a skirt, and ask my mom to make that because she's really good at sewing. Maybe she can even teach me how to do it. Maybe I'll do a video on it. I don't know, we'll see. And at that same place, I got this polo vest, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna crop it yet. It's quite long, but I think I'm gonna crop this. Hopefully it fits nice. Yeah, I think it's really cute. I don't think I'd be able to make a skirt out of it. Maybe I could, because I feel like if you make it really short, then you have quite a lot of fabric. Like these are like perfect pieces to make like little sets out of. This is from Lacoste, and this is Hugo Boss. I think that's how you pronounce that. Okay, and then I got two things at Zipper. So Zipper is definitely kind of in between prices, kind of expensive, kind of not expensive. I got this ribbed shirt for $19.50. I think this would be really cool, especially once the weather gets colder again. Obviously it's still summer, but like summer's gonna be over really fast here. So I was kind of also looking at other pieces. It's like really oversized and brown, and I just feel like this could be really cute, even just wearing it like open. I don't know. And lastly, I got this little sweater. I don't know why, but I saw this and I was like, that is so cute. It has just like these bears on it. I think they're bears, and then a dog. I don't know what that is or what the brand is or anything. There's no tag or anything. This was 16 bucks. And I also really love the color. So I thought this would just be a cute little sweater to wear even like on colder summer days, just with some shorts. So that's all I got. It was quite fun to do. I do have to say it was a lot of walking. Pretty much walked to every place besides the last one. But it was like a fun little journey, and I have to say it was definitely a little awkward to film, and like an episode like you're not allowed to film, so I was like kind of scared. Okay, so I'm gonna try everything on now. Okay, so this is the pink sweater. I put on some biker shorts because I think I'll be able to show off everything with these. Not that I would just wear with biker shorts, but this is such a cute little sweater. And like I like, it's kind of like almost like knit. I don't really know what this fabric is, but I like it because it's like not very thick, and I could even wear this like tucked into my bra and have it with like biker shorts, but also with just like denim shorts. I got some like dad shorts and stuff. This is so cute. I love the fit of it because like it's kind of like oversized on the sleeves, but it's like not too big. Oh my god, this is actually so cute. Oh my god, period. Okay, so I put on a black tank top to show this one off because I feel like I wouldn't wear this closed, but I think this is kind of cool. It's a bit bigger than I expected it to be. I think this would actually also make a really cute set. Like if you close it and you do like a little cropped and then a skirt. My mom's gonna be busy, honey. Oh my god. I'm gonna have her literally rework everything, but even like this, I think it's so cute. Like all black underneath, some black boots maybe. Like even this is like a fit, honestly, like with some biker shorts, but you can also just do any like black bottom with a little tank. Yeah, it's a little bigger than I expected it to be, but obviously I didn't try it on, but this is kind of a fate. Oh my god, Thrifting is so cool. I think it's really cool like this, but I also think it would make such a dope little set, especially for fall. This color. Her. Oh my god. Yeah, I feel like I might have to make this a set. My mom. She's gonna be so annoyed when I tell her, hey mom, can you like make this and this for me? It's a good one. And this one was $19.50, I think. I mean, it's definitely expensive, you know, but that's Amsterdam thrift stores for ya. I'm happy with it. I think it's really cool, like this. But also, if you were to make a set out of it, let me know down below what you guys think. Excuse my nipples. I'm not wearing a bra. I love this color. I'm not sure if I would wear it like this. Hold on. I feel like out of all of these things, I would be able to make sets because like I would want the top to be super cropped and then have like a little mini skirt. I'm not very tall, so that would definitely, hello, what's going on? This smells so old. Yeah, like I could wear this like tucked in. That's really cute. Like tucked in with some jeans or something. That's really cute. Wait, I kind of love that. The color is so adorable. But then also like making a super cropped tee, maybe with like an elastic here and then having like a cute little mini skirt. I'm just like, I feel like that should work. I don't know, but even like this, like with some sneaks, like kind of a fit. But I think if I were to leave it like this, I would tuck it into my bra and kind of wear it like that. I think the color is so cute. Not sure. Let me know down below. Like, should I have my mom make sets out of all of these, or should I? Oh yes, honey. Oh my god, this one's so cute. Oh my god. Definitely think I want to crop it. Or you could just tie it into it or tuck it into a bra. This is so fucking cute. Oh my god, look at this. Is that not the cutest little retro vibe, vintage vibe? Oh bitch, yes. This is so fun. Even having it like short, like this, that's a vibe. I think I might have to keep it long because it could look really cute like this, but it could also look really cute like this. Like even shorter, like, oh, just flash my boobs. Like even like this. Oh my god, it would be so good tight. Hold up. Maybe I need my mom to make this like, make it like that. Oh, shit, I just did something. Oh my god. Wait. Also, waist, period. Wait, this, I think that's even better. Period. Really good choice. I have to say, I barely got this over my head. This is the little boy shirt. The sleeves are a little bit tight, but besides that, it's like fine. And I feel like I would want this maybe even a bit shorter, kind of like that. But I could just tuck it into a bra, like that wouldn't be an issue. It's kind of good. Like coming from like the boys section, it's not my favorite, but like I kind of dig it. You could just like twist it and like tuck it into your bra from the back and it'll be tight like this. Okay, last one. This one's kind of boring, but I'm also not mad about it. Like I feel like you could just tie this up and just have like a cute little yellow top. Like it's very basic, very simple. You could tie it like that. You could take it like this, twist it in the back, and pop it into your bra like so. I feel like if it was cropped, maybe. No, I'm not mad about it. It was like $2. So I feel like with like a t-shirt like this, you can do a lot. It's Uniqlo, so it's like good quality. So like, yeah, I think this is great. It was like no money at all. It's great. I love it. I can work with this for sure. I definitely think that it ended up being so much better than I expected. Like I thought I was only gonna find like 2 pieces. I'm happy with everything that I got, and I'm gonna throw this on the wash and then I'm gonna sit down with my mom and see what we can work on. I think some of these would be really cute for like little matching sets. Maybe I shouldn't, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if it's gonna be a waste or not, or if I should do it. And if I am gonna do it, maybe my mom would be open to have me film it. She doesn't like being on camera, but I could like obviously film her working without her face in it. So maybe we could do that and I can make a video, although it can't really be a tutorial because my mom's been sewing since she was like a child, so she's like really good at it. But it would be kind of cute to show you what you can do with these pieces. I think this is really fun. I kind of want to do this every couple of months maybe, because it is quite a lot of work. It's like I'm out for a couple of hours, and especially doing it by myself is really tough. But I feel like every now and then I want to maybe do a video like this, just going thrifting, maybe also in different cities in the Netherlands. I think that would be really cool. If you are Dutch and you know any other really good thrift stores, leave them down below because I would love to check them out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video, and follow me on my Instagram because I post on there every single day. My necklace is... hello? I post on my Instagram every single day, and I also love talking to you guys in DMs. So yeah, follow me and DM me, talk to me. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.